When you use the Cricut Pen, press until you really hear the click, until you can see the tip of the pen, and then you can close it. When you have opened the Cricut design space, click on Upload. Upload the image or choose it on your desktop. You can drag and drop it if this might be easier. The picture will appear without background and you can upload it in a new project. Take care of your measurements with your Cricut map. Depending on its use, you can turn it just around. When you want your Cricut to draw something, choose in the section Operation the pen. The picture is now double-lined and you can place it wherever you want. Take care of the correct placement of the map. As you can see, the machine won't work if it isn't placed correctly. You need enough space in the background for the machine to work. Make sure to collect the correct material. When you take care of those mistakes, then you can enjoy your Cricut Maker doing your projects.